Now let's go into filters. Now these filters, the filters are a way we use our brain to sort out and filter information, and it's called perceptual filters. We generalize, as you know, we distort or delete information as we look for information that supports our view and overlook other information that may be useful. And that's where the assumption comes in. We are mostly not aware that we are using filtering processes on a continuous basis. So as you can see here, we've got language, we've got attitude, we've got memories, decisions, belief, values, metaprograms, and internal representation. That's all that means, our internal representation. And therefore we create a state and our physiology goes into something, and therefore the behavior comes out. Okay. There's a quick thing of what I said earlier. We use filters to sort, filter information. We generalize, distort and delete information, and we're mostly not aware we're using these filtering processes. But the fantastic thing is you can choose what you want to focus on. Remember that thing we came out with, the whole analogy? The filters come out, 2 million bits of information go in, 156 comes in to us, and therefore we create an external event. So we can model people, and by modeling I mean acting as if. Now, modeling is being able to look at what works and what doesn't, then taking steps to achieve the same exact results. We then figure out what works and make it easy to do and easy to learn. And then we use feedback to continue to check and make sure that we are still achieving the result. Okay. Now imagine a public speaker, a fantastic, proficient public speaker. I don't know. Obama seems to come to mind right now. The president, American president, a fantastic speaker. Now imagine modeling him. And if you were in class, I would actually get a volunteer to try modeling a great speaker like Obama. And all of a sudden, you'll become Obama, pretty much on that phase of the public speaking side of him, of your concept of him. By modeling him, you get into his body, you get into his physiology, you get into his belief system, and you will become as good as he does. Okay. Now, modeling requires 3 things, as I quickly touched on. It requires a belief system, what they believe possible to do. It is a message that you're sending to your nervous system that is most important. It's the mental syntax. The way people organize their thoughts. Syntax is like a code that we can go into in class should you wish. And it's the physiology. The way they breathe, they hold their bodily posture, facial expressions, movements, mainly their state. So if we look at these 3 as 1, 2, 3, then the actual diagram would be this: values, beliefs, decisions, memories; 2, filters, metaprograms; and 3, physiology. When you have these 3 tuned into someone, then you can become a successful speaker, you can become an effective communicator, you can become a successful multitasker, successfully managing all areas of your life the way you want. Therefore, you can do anything and obtain the same results as successful people do by following their beliefs, their mental syntax and physiology. Okay, thank you very much for this. I hope this made sense, and I hope it puts it into perspective. Take care, have a great weekend. Bye.